Hey, what's up, guys? Chance and Tony back here from Doghouse Garage, sponsored by Bang again. Hopefully, convince Tony to get that cherry blade lemonade today.
Pretty good, pretty good.
But right now, today, we just want to talk to you. Tony wanted to do some little side projects to the interior of the Z. So you want to talk to us a little bit about that?
Yeah, just to get take a break from the big stuff. Took the radio bezel, chopped out the whole inside of it. I don't remember what all was in there. I guess stock radio crap. And then put in ABS sheeting. Chopped it up so I can fit my doubled-in Apple Play unit in there. And then kind of angled it, as you can see right now. Definitely a work in progress. But use this ABS to make angles to kind of make it more cockpit, like driver oriented.
Kind of go back to those old school super vibes a little bit.
Yeah. And then right now it's just Bondo. Got one layer on that's been sanded. Just put the second layer on, and then more sanding and getting it to its
final form. Yeah, so we'll be back to you guys with a little bit more on this. You got anything else for the people before we get to it?
That's it.
All right, let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? Tony just got this custom doubled-in touchscreen radio mounted up and installed, and I think it looks pretty good, dude. Turns in just like a Super does, so it makes that cockpit feeling. How you feeling about it?
Not too bad. It definitely could have been done better. But I mean, just something to slap together quick, get it in there quick. Something that definitely can be redone later on, but overall, I mean, it's going to do its job. Mounting wise, it could have been done a little bit better, but I mean, that's pretty sturdy. I had to kind of make my own little brackets, as you guys could see on that time-lapse video. It kind of was a pain in the butt. But
and just adjusting them to make it look as good as it does right now on this. But hey, I'm doing it in the garage, getting it done. But other than that, guys, you can just like, subscribe, give us some feedback in the comments if you'd like to do that. And we'll have some more progress on the Z or anything else like that. Because we have the transmission on the ground over here, if you can see. And I'll be going in there soon. Get some more things on the Z wrapped up. Peace, guys. Oh, boy. Step away for 2 seconds to go and run, do some chores, and Tony's putting together the interior of the Z. Already got the seats back in it, and oh boy, a little bit of wiring.
Classic wiring mess.
Yeah, it's those classic cars right now. How's it feel getting this somewhat put back together?
Oh, it's feeling good. Still complications, but
yeah, the previous owner had an aftermarket in there, it looks like, or
old school aftermarket.
Like what, 80s, 90s?
90s probably.
Just a mess of wiring. All right, we're gonna cut it off right here and pick back up once Tony made a little bit more progress. But thanks for following, guys. All right, so Tony got that little wiring issue figured out. How you liking that placement in the cockpit, though? Just right there, pointed towards you. Perfect. You want to give him a little bit of better view right there?
Yep.
Wiring issue all fixed. Turns on. How much did you get that radio for again?
Oh, I think maybe $150 off of eBay. But it's Apple Play, Android Play. I mean, it came out of my truck. It's been working for quite some time now. Works awesome. The only thing is that it's not Bluetooth Apple Play. It's USB, but it's still awesome. Still pulls maps, etc.
Yeah, so nice little side project done for the Z, but you're happy about it.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Time to go eat. But thanks for watching, guys. If you would just like, subscribe, just comment on anything you think we can improve or anything like that, that'd be great. Thanks.